Hello and welcome to the channel Dating for Beginners. I am with a new video on how to download the app Gmail. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to go and open your Play Store in your device. And if you have an Apple product, then you can open the App Store. So you just have to open the Play Store, and in the top there is a search bar. So you just need to write here Gmail, and when you have successfully written the word Gmail, you just have to click on the search button and it will search, and as you can see there is a Gmail. So I'll just click on it and open it. So I have already downloaded the Gmail. So there are two options, uninstall and update. But when this is new and you haven't installed Gmail in your device, then I'll give you an example. Like this, there is an install button instead of the uninstall and update button. So you just have to click on this install button. When you go to the Gmail, instead of uninstall and update, there will be an install button. So you will just click on the install button and wait for a few minutes or a few seconds depending on your internet connection. After that, the Gmail will be downloaded to your device successfully. So this is how you can download Gmail on your device. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.